Okay, you're gonna help me pack today. So for this trip, I looked at the weather beforehand and it'll be in the mid to high 80s. So I'm bringing easy pieces that I don't really have to think about and that'll be comfortable in. This will be like a nice dinner dress. Probably, we're staying at a resort when we go to Fiji, so this is definitely gonna be there. This is one of my absolute favorite shirts, the Supremes with Supreme. So this is one of my favorite outfits that I'm bringing. It's this nice teal blue skirt and contrasting it with this neon leopard bikini top. I think it'll be fire. So when I travel, I always bring lots of swimsuit options. The smaller, the better for me personally. But I really like the color of this one. Like, this hat looks really different from the picture, but I mean, it's a vibe. My favorite travel memory is when I went to Egypt. I went there 3 years ago, I think. The most incredible thing that I saw personally were the tombs. And I mean, it's really indescribable and I recommend everybody go there, but it's definitely been my favorite destination that I've taken so far. I don't really wear bras, but I still like to have some kind of support. So these are nipple covers, but they actually have like an extra adhesive similar to boob tape, but you put it on and you lift it to where you want it to go so it sticks onto your skin and you can still wear whatever you want. Organization helps me when I'm on the go because it's obviously much easier to find things. I know exactly where everything is. Sometimes somebody might come into my house and think it's a little chaotic, but to me it's organized chaos. Anything in my house that you need, I know exactly where it is. I love a good kitten hill. A lot of people hate them, but I love them. They're so easy to walk in. These are my hiking shoes. These are literally the most comfortable shoes I've ever worn in my life. They're from Off-White, and but they're the Nike collab they just did. It literally feels like you're walking on a cloud. I'm bringing a GoPro, underwater equipment for the GoPro, and lots of little gadgets. And I'm also bringing a drone. I hope to experience a new place, immerse myself in a different culture, and also relax. I only get to take a vacation once a year, so I definitely enjoy every moment of it that I can. I'm just gonna bring my essentials, my Weleda skin food. I cannot live without that. I have all my makeup and skincare ready. One mantra that I always live by is expect the worst but hope for the best, which sounds very pessimistic, but in the industry I work in, I've learned that things can be canceled so last minute. You know, I kind of just take things as they come, day by day, and it's just really helped me like stay grounded. This is my meditation room. It's so extra that I have this, but it's where I come to decompress and reflect. Okay guys, it was nice having you, but I have to get my mind right before this trip, so I'll see you later. Bye.